Write the percent as a mixed number in simplest form and as a decimal. Put a comma between your answers. So we have 415%. Remember that percent is per 100. So this is basically saying 415 to 100. It's just another way to write percent. So what we have to do is reduce this down, and we have our mixed number. Okay, now reducing by 100, there's a little trick that you can use, especially if you're trying to make a mixed number. So watch what happens. 415 equals 400 plus 15, right? So what you can do is you can take this 415 100ths and split it into two fractions. You can say it's 400 to 100 plus 15 to 100. Now the 400 to 100, that reduces to 4, and this 15 to 100, we'll reduce that by 5, because 15 is 5 times 3, and 100, reduce that down, 10, 10, 2, 5, and 2, 5. So this 15 is 5 times 3, adding that to the 4, and the 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So we can reduce by 5, and we're going to get 4 plus 3 over 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 times 5, which is 20, so 3/20ths. And 4 plus 3/20ths is simply 4 and 3/20ths. So this is going to be our mixed number. And you also could have taken this 415 and the 100 and broken down the whole thing and reduced that way, but I like to use this little trick to make a mixed number. Now to make a decimal, all you need to do is divide 415 by 100. So 415 divided by 100, 4.15. That is your decimal. So the mixed number in simplest form and a decimal, put a comma between your answers. Here's how you would enter your final answer. I'll write it up here. 4 and 3/20ths, comma, 4.15. So these both say the same thing as 415%.